to all my American Girl doll fans out there watching Glitter, Sparkle, Shine Girl, and it's Ava. And today we have an awesome tour of Maryellen's refrigerator. So, you know, Blair and Mini Maryellen they like food. Like Blair's a chef, and like Maryellen has lots of food. So we're going to be showing a tour of the refrigerator. And also with the gourmet kitchen, we also did a video of this video. So if you guys didn't see that video, make sure you guys watch it. So let's get started. So the first thing that came with the refrigerator is it doesn't just come with food, it comes with this. So holding up the tables is this like TV table rack. And these are called TV tray tables. So what you do with them is, it's a 1950 thing, and what you do is you get here and then you put the table in front of it with your food on it, and you can eat on your couch watching TV. So I'm just going to take this off, and you just set it up like you snap it in, like, okay, I got it, like that. So basically you just snap it into here. And here's your first table. Now the next one. So it's on this rack right here. So basically what you do is it's like this, and then you just pull it out. And once it gets to here, you just snap it in. Okay, so our tables are out. Now I'm just going to move them to the side. And we have Maryellen, and here's her fridge. Wow, guys, there's so much in here. So the first thing we have is these eggs on the side, which you can't take out. And right here, we have like different kinds of jams and like that. So we have grape jelly. We have strawberry jam. We have English mustard. And you can actually see like the texture from the top. And we also have kosher relish. And then for the top shelf, we have, it looks like this Jello cake, and it's on this blue plate, which you can take off. Then we have this casserole. I think it's vegetable casserole. And this is what it looks like. It looks pretty realistic. Okay. Next, it comes with 2 milks. Next, we have some ham, and it's a really cool design around it, like some pineapple right there. And in here, we have lots and lots of soda and lots of butter. So we have 4 sticks of butter. This is what they look like. All 4 of them, so you can just stack them up. And then we have 4 of orange sodas. And that's what I keep in here. Next is the freezer. So right here, there's this ice holder that you can put your ice in. Or I was thinking you can slide into there, or with something else. And right here, we have some ice pops. And what is really cool about this is you take this off and then open it, and there's real ice pops. And they're orange. The next thing we got are the TV dinners that you can put on the TV tray tables. So the first one is the beef one. So this one, the main course is beef, and it's frozen. So it looks like beef, some of the casserole, and peas. So here's the first dinner, and I'm going to put it on our table. The next one is the chicken. So there is some more casserole and an egg and chicken this time. I mean potatoes. Yeah, potato. Okay, so let's open this one. So all you do is you grab it and you open it. Sometimes it's hard to open, so sometimes what I do is I just keep it open. So here it is. Okay, so now we have our last one, but we don't have another table for it, so I might just put it right here. So we'll open it on this side. Okay. So this one is, the main course is mac and cheese. And we got peas and carrots. It looks like small carrots. I'm gonna put them right there. And also how I showed you the ice pops for dessert. I think I'm going to put those out. And then American Girl dolls can eat. So right now we're getting them ready, and then I'm going to give Z some food. So I think what I'm going to give her is the casserole and then the jelly cake. Okay, so these are the ice pops. And I think I'm going to put these on this plate right there. And none of that came with the set. The only thing that came with the set is everything that I showed you in the fridge and the tables and the table rack. So I just have to put those in. And the next thing my dolls are going to eat. So Blair is just going to pretend to eat some of her TV dinner, and Z is going to lick her ice pop. So I'm not sure, but I'm gonna see if I can put this in her hand. Yeah, I got it in her hand. And she can lick it. And since it's orange flavored ice pop, she wants to stick with the theme. So let's go get her some orange soda. So she has a cup. I'm just going to put it in there. Or I can just pretend to open up the lid and that's how much she drank. It was filled to there, and then she drank to there. She actually really drank it. So this is really cool, guys, and these don't come out. They might look like they do, but they don't. And guys, I really like this set, so make sure you guys keep watching Glitter Sparkle Shine Girl and like and subscribe. Bye!